Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you monthly forecast month of August 2020. All the predictions are based on your moon sign, but you can consider all these predictions according to your Lagna sign as well. So all these predictions are according to Vedic Indian astrology. Sun sign prediction have no relevance with this particular forecast whatsoever. You have to know about your moon sign or you have to know about your ascendant. Then you particularly follow this prediction according to that for all of you. Monthly forecast month of August 2020 for all of you. Libra month of August for all of you. Libra 2020 Libra, the month of August for you. The transit of Venus for Libra in 9th house. 1st August till 1st September. When the Venus transit in 9th house Libra, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 9th house from your moon sign. When the Venus transit 9th house from your moon sign, this mostly signify one set of a new wardrobe. It's also donate material comfort, happiness, harmony, financial gain, indulgence in precious jewelry, valuable items, luxurious items is also indicated during this phase of time. Businessman or businesswoman will find this period a very smooth, especially smooth one, with satisfactory profit and result. Success in education is also indicated during this phase of time. Health would remain good in shape. At home, your sibling would be more cooperative and affectionate than ever. Some auspicious deeds are likely to be performed at this time period. You may also decide on your relationship, your companionship, or if you're eligible bachelor, you can decide about your marriage as well. During this phase of time, you're likely to get a match of your choice who would also bring a fortune for you. A socially conducive period could also be expected where you're likely to make a lot of new friends. You're also getting a mentor to show you the spiritual path. Your interest in artistic field would be rising. Your good qualities and virtuous deeds would be noticed, would bring more regarding reputation in society. This time could see your desire fulfilled, enemies defeated. If you're involved in any kind of a discussion, you're likely to be winning the same. You may even consider going to a long journey during this phase of time. Transit of Mercury in 10th house for Libra. 2nd August till 17th August. When the Mercury transiting in 10th house Libra, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 10th house from your moon sign. 10th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, this donate contentment and good timing for you. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, you would be happy and successful in all your undertaking. Professionally, a very good period could be expected as well. You would be able to finish off the work given to you successfully on time. Happiness at home is also indicated when Mercury transiting 10th house from your moon sign. You could also be expecting to meet someone very special, interesting in this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, some of you are also expecting to spend some passionate time with someone very special, enjoying thoroughly. Possibility of gain from this person also indicated in this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, financially this could be also good timing for you. The success in your undertaking will be gainful for you. You may expect other monetary gain as well. This particular period also bringing you rise in status, prestige in society. You're also likely to be honored and may command more respect in society. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, you may also become more socially more active and may get involved in social welfare work. Mentally, peace and calmness is indicated. Your enemies are also likely to be defeated, and with ease you could find calmness in your life during this phase of time. Transit of Mars in 7th house, 16th August till 4th October. When the Mars is transiting in 7th house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 7th house from your moon sign. The Mars transiting in 7th house from your moon sign, this is bringing trying time for you, mostly in matter of health, relationship. You may suffer from excess mental worry when the Mars is transiting 7th house from your moon sign due to health problem to yourself, your family members and your nearest or dearest or your life partner. You'll have some sort of issues. You're likely to feel fatigued and susceptible to developing eye discomfort, stomach problem, discomfort in your chest. When the Mars is transiting 7th house, you have to take care of your partner's health. And you and your partner are likely to develop some sort of a deep mental anxiety during this phase of time. Most of you likely to develop enmity with some noble people noble person. When the Mars is transiting 7th house, avoid any kind of misunderstanding that may crop up during hypothetical differences in opinion between you and your spouse. If not handled tactfully, this may lead to a big argument or conflict between you two of you. Make peace with your friends and dear one. You also likely to be put anguished by your kinship. Watch your behavior. You also susceptible to using bad words, being wrathful toward your sibling or family. Your finances would need a tight watch as well. Some of you may lose some of your riches due to your unnecessary indulgence in competition. Curtail your spending spree and ensure a steady incoming of good food, lifestyle during this phase of time. Transit of Sun in 11th house, 16th August till 16th September. Libra, when the Sun is transiting 11th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 11th house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting 11th house from moon sign, this particular time period mostly means financial gain, improved economic and social status, improved economical situations and rise in status, prestige and honor, achieving more financial gain, achieving more financial prosperity. When the Sun is transiting 11th house, it's a suitable time for you to approach your boss, employer for any high favor such as asking for rise, asking for promotion. You'll be rising your position at workplace. You'll get an unexpected benefit from your superior authorities. The Sun is transiting 11th house from moon sign. You could also expect a profit in your trade, attainment of wealth during this phase of time, even gain from your friends. Your social prestige would be seeing a rise. You'd gain more honor in your neighborhood. Health would remain good during this phase of time. Your sound health could be more happy on occasion. This particular period also signifies commencement of some spiritual constructive deed at your home, leading to even more happiness. Merrymaking, distribution, indulgence of good food and sweets at home could also be expected during this phase of time. Overall, a comfortable period is donated for you and your family life, leading to family peace. Could during this phase of time could be like that. Transit of Mercury in 11th house, 17th August till 2nd September. With the Mercury transiting in 11th house, Libra, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 11th house from your moon sign. With the Mercury transit in 11th house from your moon sign, during this particular period when the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign, this indicates achievement, financial gain, monetary gain, rewards, income resources, financial or professional opportunities. This period also like to bring financial gain for you. You may expect receiving a higher monetary gain with the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign from the different resources. Your personal undertaking, your business undertaking, your investments are likely to be bringing higher financial gain, rewards, more and more profit for you. Income resources, new financial opportunities will appear on your way. Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign. You also professionally employed, if you're professionally employed or working for yourself, or you're likely to be more successful during this phase of time, especially if you're working in a banking sector or financial sector as a chartered accountant, financial advisor. If you're a salesperson, you'll close a lot of bigger deals during this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign, during this particular period, most of your deals will be done and dusted. You're likely to be prosperous in your field of activity, especially if you're in IT sector, banking sector, especially during this phase of time. Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign. Health should be good. You're likely to be at peace with yourself. You become more soft-spoken and very diplomatic in your behavior and approach. A lot of more refined of you with the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign. At home, you may expect a good time. Your spouse, your family life will also be happy and very coordinated around you. You may also expect to gain some favorable news. You also likely to be surrounded by material comfort. Socially, a good phase as well. You would be able to command more respect in society. Pleasant company of companion will be also surrounded around you. Your wit, your pleasant nature would also make people flock around you. When the Mercury transit in 11th house, people appreciate your presence more and more. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month. If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.